Hello everyone, today I'll be making this tutorial on configuration, and this is something what we're gonna make today. So let me show you guys how it looks like. So this is a washer that I made, and here's the configuration. We're gonna be using design table in here, so our main focus is gonna be on design table, and since it's the 2019 SolidWorks, and in 2019 SolidWorks design table does not work perfectly. It's a software issue, so we're going to be making this part, and I'll be teaching how to create configurations in SolidWorks 2019. So let's go in the new part. Okay, I'm going to select my front plane and ready to sketch. Let's make a washer. Let's set up the dimensions. Okay, and let's exclude it out. Exclude 0.25. Okay, let's use mid plane. Ready. And let's do normal. Let's create on this plane surface sketch. Okay. Select this center point and select the center point. Make them vertical. Now let's select circle. Create a circle and tangent with that, and use for construction. Keep. Set the dimension. This is supposed to be 6. This is supposed to be 0.75. Okay. Now I'm gonna come here. If I'm gonna do exclude cut, and this thing already knows that. I'm just gonna do throughout both. Once I do throughout both, I'm gonna do okay. Perfect. Look nice. And now it's time to do the circular pattern in our features, and as you guys can see, it's selected already, and now it's asking the direction. So I'm going to select this circle as a direction and already know 4 and 360. Make sure it's on equal spacing. Hit the green check mark. Okay, ready. Now it's the tricky part, and if you go in your insert, go in tables and design table, this property design table property will open up, and if you hit either blank or auto create, it will not open like this. Let me show you guys. Nothing happened, right? So to get that to open that, let me show you guys again. So I think last time I picked blank. Let me pick auto this time to show you guys that it won't work. So it won't work. Okay, it's a software issue that 2019 SolidWorks has this issue in them. And the way you guys can get your table in here, design table, is okay. Before I get the design table, let me click here, right click on annotation and show dimensions, and also dimensions name from hide and show. If I drop down this menu, there's a D1 I select, and it will show dimensions menu. And let me just name a few things. Okay. Cut holes. Okay. This should be cut hole hole C. Okay, and this should be, I'm gonna make this cut hole diameter actually. Cut hole diameter, and this should be inside diameter, and this should be outside diameter, outside diameter. Okay, and it should be number of holes. Okay, because that's our circular pattern, which is perfect now. Okay, so as you guys can see, I bring this thing on the corner over here because over here will be my tables. Okay, to get the design, the Excel table that's not opening it up, Microsoft Excel table, you have to minimize everything. Okay, and as you guys, okay, let me do this table. Let me open a blank one. Okay, and I want to save it on desktop. Solid work. Um, Solidwork. Let's just name Solidwork for right now. Cut this thing out. As you guys can see, I have a blank sheet over here ready. Okay, and now I'm gonna go insert tables, design table, and then I'm gonna select from file, and I'm gonna say link to file. Now I'm gonna do browse. After doing browse, I go on my desktop and I click on the one that I set SolidWorks. I select that one, I said open, okay, and I hit green check mark, okay, because now it knows its source. So it's pretty much open now, and all you gotta do is on that B1, I want to select, okay, inside diameter, okay, and let's say uh, let's do cut hole, then number of, okay, let me just select this one. Let me squeeze them in here a little. Okay. And let's just do wrap text. It'll be easier to see what's going on. Okay. I ran into another issue. So for right now, let me just, okay, let me write this. 3 inch, 3 inch. Okay. And okay, so basically it's saying it generated a 3-inch configuration, and let's just go under tables and design table and edit. Okay, because we are still not done, so it's loading up. Say okay to that. Okay, it worked now, and need this one. 1 2 3 4 5. Perfect. Okay, all I'm gonna do is now is let me just do wrap text. It look neat. Now let's do 8 inch. Okay, and let's do 10 inch. So give me a second, let me just pull up my configurations. Okay, over here should be 8.625, and over here should be 10.75 and 75, and there should be 14.25, and it should be, wait, hold on, I messed up somewhere. No, this should be over here, and this should be over here, and over here it should be 0.875 and 1. Over here should be 8, then 12, and here should be 13.5 and 16. So just for the tutorial, I'm just gonna leave it up to 3 configurations, and I'm gonna hit green check mark, which is right here. Okay, so let's see. So now it's saying it made 2 extra uh, configuration, 8 inch and 10 inch, which is perfect. Okay, and as you guys can see, this thing is working now. Made the configuration and it is working. So it made 3 different washers by using one, and I'm using configurations here, and this is how you insert a design table and fix, I mean, yeah, basically it's done. So hope you guys like this tutorial, and please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.